So my name is Matt, and I am a real estate photographer. It has always been a passion of mine since I was a young child to do photographs. Take photographs, do video. It didn't matter. I loved it. It wasn't until COVID that I actually decided to make a career out of it. And now I do real estate photography. However, I figured that my next step would be one of these FPV drones. And you know what? I was right. These things are one of the most amazing and immersive tools that you can use. They're just so fun to fly. And there is just so much involved when it comes to FPV drones. Now, I'm nowhere near professional with these things, but you know what? Every time I get out there and I fly one of these, it's like I'm actually flying, and it's just so relaxing. Most amazing stress relief I have ever had. And in this time of the year, running a business and trying to do all the things that I'm doing, having just 10 minutes of flying an FPV drone, it just wipes away stress like you would not believe. And I decided that on my journey doing this, that I was going to create a YouTube channel. And so I created Growing FPV.